Hello friends, welcome to Bankers Platform. So today we have come again with new set of questions. So please like this video and share this video with your friends who are preparing for JIB exam and subscribe to our channel if you have not subscribed. So friends, today we have most expected questions for JIB and the subject is legal and regulatory aspects of banking. Please make notes of these important questions for your future reference and these most expected questions can be asked in coming JIB exam. So let's begin with our first question. Question number 1. Which of the following provisions do not match in context of loans by a bank? Our options are banks cannot grant loan on the security of their own shares, Section 20 of Banking Regulation Act. Banks cannot commit themselves for granting loans on behalf of their directors, Section 20 of Banking Regulation Act. For remitting a loan in the name of a director, RBI permission is required, Section 20A of Banking Regulation Act. And the D, RBI can use selective credit control over banks, Section 36 a Banking Regulation Act. So let's see what is the correct answer. And the correct answer is D. RBI can use selective credit control over banks, Section 36A Banking Regulation Act. Let's move to next question. Question number 2. Banks maintain cash reserve with RBI under Section 42 of RBI Act, which is called cash reserve ratio. B. It is maintained at minimum of 3% and maximum of 20% of NDTL. C. No interest paid by RBI on this amount. D. It is maintained as a fortnightly average balance with RBI. So our options are A to D all are correct. A, B and C correct. A, B, D correct. A, C and D correct. So let's see what is the correct answer. Correct answer is D. A, C and D correct. So let's move to next question. Question number 3. Under the provisions of Right to Information Act, the public authority means any authority established A. By or under the Constitution of India, by any other law made by the Parliament or state legislature, C. By notification issued or order made by the appropriate government, any of the above. So let's see what is the correct answer. And the correct answer is D. Any of the above. Let's move to question number 4. Which of the following statement is not correct in connection with balance sheet of a bank? A. For public sector, it is prepared as per third schedule of Banking Regulation Act. For banking companies such that private banks, it is prepared as per Part 1 of Schedule 6 of Companies Act. C. It is prepared for the last day of the financial year. D. The provisions for preparation of balance sheet are contained in Section 29 of Banking Regulation Act. So let's see what is the correct answer. And the correct answer is B. For banking companies, private bank, it is prepared as per Part 1 of Schedule 6 of Companies Act. Let's move to question number 5. Banks submit various returns to RBI under RBI Act or Banking Regulation Act. Which of the following is not one such return? So options are monthly return of liquid asset under Section 24(3) of Banking Regulation Act. B. Quarterly return of NPA advances under Section 42 of RBI Act. C. Return of unclaimed deposit under Section 26 of Banking Regulation Act. D. Fortnightly return on cash reserve under Section 42 of RBI Act. So let's see our correct answer. And the correct answer is B. Quarterly return of NPA advances under Section 42 of RBI Act. So this is wrong. Let's move to question number 6. As regards the inspection of bank, A. RBI has the authority to inspect the branches of banks under Section 35 of Banking Regulation Act. B. RBI can inspect the branches of banks under Section 35A of Banking Regulation Act. C. Central government can direct RBI to inspect the banks. And our options are A and B are correct, B and C are correct, A and C are correct, A to C all correct. So let's see what is the correct answer. Correct answer is C. A and C. A and C are correct. and B is a incorrect statement regarding inspection, because banking RBI can inspect the branches of banking under section 35A of Banking Revolution Act is incorrect. Let's move to question number 7. Under our Right to Information Act, the information that can be accessed should be held by or under control of. So our options are government authority, public or private authority, government authority, public authority or private authority. So let's see what is the correct answer. Correct answer is B, public authority. Let's move to question number 8. A banking company can be acquired by central government if one of the following conditions is satisfied. Which one is not correct? Our options are bank failed on more than one occasion to comply with RBI direction under section 21 and 35 of Banking Regulation Act. B. Bank is being managed in a manner detrimental to interest of depositors. C. Acquisition is essential for safeguarding interest of the depositors. And D. Acquisition will benefit the shareholders and government both. So let's see which is the correct answer. And the correct answer is D. Acquisition will benefit the shareholders and government both. Let's move to question number 9. In a contract of sale, A. The seller transfer property in goods to buyer for a price. B. The seller agrees to transfer the property in goods to the buyer for a price. C. When the goods are transferred from seller to the buyer, the contract becomes a sale. So our options are statement A and C only are correct. Statement A and B only are correct. Statement B and C are correct, and all statements are correct. So let's see what is the correct answer. And the correct answer is D. All the statements are correct. Let's move to question number 10. Which of the following is not rate of GST? So options are 2%, 12%, 18%, 28%. So let's see what is the correct answer. Correct answer is A, 2%. There is no GST rate which is of 2%. So 12% is there, 18, 28 is there. So let's see some things related to GST. In India, nearly all goods and services under the preview of GST have been divided into four GST rates. So these rates are 5%, 12%, 18%, and 28%. The GST Council revised inclusion under these rates from time to time in order to ensure efficient pricing of different category of product. The rate thus levied depends on whether a good or services is necessity or luxury. In general, items of need invite a lower tax rate, such that 5 or 12%, and luxury products are in the slab of 18 and 28. Apart from these, GST on gold is 3% and 0.25% of semi precious and rough stone. So this is some details related to GST. So question can be asked from this also, friends. Let's move to next question. Question number 11. When one or more bank is merged with another bank, two or more banks decide to merge to form a new company. It is called merger, amalgamation, liquidation, winding up. So let's see what is the correct answer. Correct answer is amalgamation. So let's move to next question. Question number 12. A bank is under obligation to make payment of check issued by its customer under section 31 if the following conditions are satisfied. Which one is not correct? Our options are there are sufficient funds in the account, the funds are properly available for payment of the said check, the signatures of the customer are as per records of the bank. D. Check should be drawn in one ink, one handwriting, and one script. So let's see what is the correct answer. And correct answer is D. Check should be drawn in one ink, one handwriting, and one script. So this is the correct answer. Let's move to question number 13. If bank refuses payment of the check issued by the customer and later on it is wound up, the bank is liable to. So our options are drawer for any loss, the payee for any loss, the holder who becomes a creditor entitled to make a claim, none of the parties, as that would be decided by the liquidator. So let's see what is the correct answer. Correct answer is C. The holder who becomes a creditor entitled to make a claim. Let's move to question number 14. The offenses that are compoundable under any law cannot be brought within the preview of which of the following. The options are Lok Adalat, DRT, Civil Court, High Court. Let's see what is the correct answer. Correct answer is Lok Adalat. Let's move to question number 15. The Transfer of Property Act contains provisions relating to transfer of A. Actionable claims, movable asset, goods, none of the above. Let's see what is the correct answer. Correct answer is actionable claims. Let's move to question number 16. For a bank to get protection against conversion of a check, A. The collection should be for customer. B. The collection should be of crossed check crossed before falling into the hands of the collecting bank. C. Collection should be in good faith. D. The collection should be without negligence. So let's see what is the correct answer. Our options are A to D should be fulfilled, A to C should be fulfilled, A, C and D should be fulfilled, A, B and D should be fulfilled. Let's see what is the correct answer. Correct answer is C. A, C and D should be fulfilled. Let's move to question number 17. Which of the following is a correct statement? Protection available to bank for conversion is as per section 10 of NI Act. Protection against conversion for demand draft is as per section 131 of NI Act. Bank get protection for conversion as per section 131 in case of check and section 131A for demand draft as per Banking Regulation Act. And D. Conversion means unauthorized interference in property of a third party. So let's see what is the correct answer. And the correct answer is D. Conversion means unauthorized interference in property of a third party. Let's move to question number 18. Which of the following is the objective of the Foreign Exchange Management Act, FAMA 1999? To conserve foreign exchange, to manage foreign exchange, to facilitate external trade and promote the orderly development of forex market in India, all the above. So let's see what is the correct answer. Correct answer is C. To facilitate external trade and promote orderly development of forex market in India. Let's move to question number 19. Which of the following is not correct in case of contract of indemnity or guarantee? So our options are in indemnity, the loss is to be made good as soon as it occurs. In case of guarantee, surety's liability is secondary and principal debtor liability is primary. An indemnity is for the reimbursement of loss. A guarantee is for bearing the loss caused due to the action of principal debtor or any other party. So let's see what is the correct answer. Correct answer is D. A guarantee is for bearing the loss caused due to the action of principal debtor or any other party. So this is the correct statement and it is incorrect related to indemnity or guarantee. Let's move to question number 20, which is the last question of the day. A bank guarantee has been issued by the bank in lieu of the customer being required to deposit cash security. Such guarantee is called cash guarantee, financial guarantee, performance guarantee, deferred payment guarantee. So let's see what is the correct answer. And correct answer is B, financial guarantee. So friends, this is a set of 20 questions. So I hope so you are benefited from these questions. So thank you friends. Thanks for watching. Please like this video if you are benefited and share this video with your friends who are preparing for JAIIB exam, and subscribe to our channel if you have not subscribed. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.